Ka Rotary Club of Orchid City Shillong hakano ophai sngi khat nyo tarik nailur kala Pynkup Burom meki Arngut ki Nonghikai ki bakentup yaka soma bat tarji lem bat usham phanglen khardau sao yaka bala tip kum ka National Builder Award Ar Pusan haka jingelang ka balengkot ka bala penlong haka auditorium ka Teacher Education PGT Shillong balawan bercembentalang da UMP jang ka Shillong seat Dr. Ricky AJ Singkon haba ajing kren ukong san ulaong ba amdan ka ba kam kraw ban ni Nonghikai da ka ba ong ru ba ka kam Nonghikai kam dei tang ka kam ba dei ban le hendrei ka dei ka lenti ban im bad ulaong ru ba ngi im ka perthei ka bala ki ustad ba ha ki jingkala hendrei ki Nonghikai ki dei ki nong penwan dor ya kata nalor kata ulaong ba kum ki Nonghikai ha ki saw kon ro ja ka kamra kelas kaya le ban penwan ni ki jingmut jing perkhat ki khon Samla da ka ba ula kedau yaladi da ka ba ulaong wat ngadon haka san hima hendrei ngasa bet kum Nonghikai hakani ka jan mit ladon lang ki nongelam ka Rotary Club ki Samla pule lambat ki we
We thank and congratulate Shoma Bhattacharya for guiding young minds and for continuing to do so for years without patience. Shanpanglin, it's wonderful the way every day and the way you teach young minds from the rural background and equip them with tools to face challenges in life every day.
This evening function of Nation Builder Award ceremony, but to me it's not just a privilege. Let me tell you that it is a reminder of the sacred responsibility that we all share in shaping the destiny of our society. And this evening we celebrate the true architects of our nation. Here we have the two group themselves, and of course I know there are a few others, including myself, standing here. I entered the field of politics, but I remain a teacher. I continue to teach, and I continue to do so every time when I meet people. To all the Rotarians present here this evening, and all Rotarians all over the world, I would say that you and your organization, you have embodied this very spirit for over a century. With a global family of 1.2 million members, I hope I'm right. Yes. Rotary to me, and I believe to many around the world, is not just an organization. It is a movement. A movement that has dared to dream of a world without polio, a world with clean water, better health, and greater dignity for every human being. In this great nation of ours, India, you have been at the heart of countless transformation, uplifting school, healing communities, empowering women, and reaching places where help is most needed. And even in this beloved state of ours, Meghalaya, you and your sister club, you have shown that real change is possible when service is combined with vision. From supporting teachers and students to ensuring clean water and livelihood, your presence in this state of ours is a reminder that service is not an act. It is not an act, but it is a way of life. So thank you so much to each and every member of the Rotary Club of Orchid City, Shillong. Well, dear friends, we live in an age where the world is changing faster than ever before. Technology is advancing. Economies are shifting. Societies are evolving. Yet, I would say that amidst all of these changes that we see, one truth remains eternal. And that truth is this, that a nation can rise, I would say, no higher than the quality of its teachers. Buildings may crumble, policies may change, so also governments. But one thing I know for sure, that the impact of a teacher lasts across generation. This is a fact. This evening, the Nation Builder Award ceremony is not simply a mere recognition, but I would say it is a salute to our teachers, and this evening to the two teachers, and their quiet heroism, which is the unseen sacrifices, the patience, the resilience, and of course the unwavering faith that you invest in the lives of young people. In every classroom, with every lesson, you are not just teaching, you are igniting hope, sowing the seeds of knowledge and information, wisdom, courage, and thus shaping the future of many, many young minds. I stand here without an iota of doubt, or I would say with an element of certainty, that Rotary Club of Orchid City, Shillong, reaffirm a profound truth, that is, teachers are not just instructors. They are nation builders. They are the moral compass of our democracy, the guardians of knowledge, and the torchbearers of hope. But then let me also say this, that when we talk about nation building is never the work of one profession or one organization alone. It is a shared journey. We have planted seeds of wisdom and knowledge, but let me say this, it is for the family, community, and leaders to also be part of nurturing those seeds that teachers have planted. Well, dear friends, here we are to dream, say our Meghalaya that is vibrant, inclusive, and progressive. Then I would say that we must walk hand in hand, when we come together as educators, citizens, policymakers, everyone who are part and parcel of the state. I would say to work and to support organizations such as the Rotary Club of the City of Shillong. And allow me to leave you with this thought, and this thought is this, that every child in a classroom today carries within them the possibility of a better tomorrow. But the question here is, will we as a society give them the teachers, the mentors, and the opportunity? When I heard ma'am, when she mentioned about the question about teaching as a profession, in fact, just now, very briefly, our secretary mentioned about this. A lot of questions being raised today about the role of teachers. So it is all up to us. Because if we fail to do so in recognizing the importance of teachers, I think we risk dimming the light of an entire generation. And the choice therefore is ours, to remain passive or to rise together so that every child not only dream but has the power and the guidance and opportunity to make those dreams real. And therefore let us maybe commit ourselves this evening, whoever is present here, and maybe able to share this message, that is to honor teachers not just with awards but with unwavering support. To value education not just in words but in action. And to build our state, to build our nation, where every child, regardless of the background he or she comes from, has a chance to shine like stars in the midnight sky. And let us never forget this fact that it is within the four walls of the classroom sits the future of our country. And it is in the hands of teachers rests the destiny of our nation. To the teachers who have been honored today and awarded today, I want you to know this, that you may never, and even for us, the other teachers, including myself here, you may never fully see the harvest of our labor, but generations, I'm sure, will live in the shade of the trees that we as teachers have planted. And that is our legacy.